Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. I am Dabble Dad, and this is going to be a review of the past couple episodes. We are going to keep this nice and short. Alright, let's head on over to the build plate so we can learn the common trait that some of these tools all share. On the build plate, we don't have anything. Okay, let's add some. So you're going to have to right click and hit Add Shape and head on down to Gallery. If you don't have access to the gallery, what you're doing is you are operating in beginner mode. Head on up to the mode selector, select normal or expert, super easy. All right, head on back down. Now you can add your shape and gallery. We're gonna add a pyramid. All right, we have our three different tools that we've been learning about. We have our move, scale, and rotate. What they all share is the colors for the axis that you are manipulating the object along, okay? So as you see, we have our blue line representing Z, we have our green representing Y, and then we have a red always representing X. So now we're going to move to the rotating tool. When we move to the rotating tool, you're going to see all these colors move around a little bit, but they're moving the object along that specific axis. So remember where this blue line is currently, okay? It's straight up and down. We're gonna head on over to rotate. Now, when we manipulate our object, we are manipulating it along that Z-axis because it used to be right here where the Y is now. But we are manipulating that object along that specific axis. Same thing with the red one. We are now manipulating it along where the red one was. Red one was right here. And then the same thing for the Y. Now, if you go over to scale, same thing. You have your X-axis, Y-axis, and then Z or Z. Now, I've kind of messed up my pyramid a little bit. I did it on purpose. If you would like to reset your object back to how it was, all you got to do is head down over to the object manipulation area where it says world coordinates or object coordinates, and you'll see a couple arrows. Because this whole object is skewed, we're going to reset it by hitting the reset skew. And then we're also going to reset the scale, and we're going to reset the rotation position. One more thing that will pop up on there is if you sink your object down below the build plate, okay, it is in fact below the build plate, you will see one more option down here, and that is drop to bed. Regardless of where your object is on the Z-axis, you hit that button, it's going to snap that object back down to the bed. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's it. It's super simple. Put an object onto the build plate, mess around with it, move it around, reset it a few times, practice. This way, whenever you have an object on the build plate and you have to move it to a specific location, you can do that by knowing how to use your tools properly. Once again, I'm Dabble Dad. This is Ozzy. We're saying see you later. Hey everyone, if you like this content, go ahead and hit subscribe. If you like this specific video, go ahead and like it. If you want to get notified as soon as I post another one, go ahead and hit that notifications bell.